Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the tuberose plant. Tuberose is a perennial plant with pure white waxy flowers. The flowers are tubular with tube up to 6 centimeters long. Each year we get beautiful tuberose flowers. But this year, because of heat waves, we do not have any flowers. Instead, in our leaves' edges, it is slightly yellow. After the severe heat wave, there is monsoon in Delhi now. So we thought of giving some fertilizers to this plant now. But before giving fertilizers, we must dig the soil. Digging the soil helps in aeration and also helps in the better absorption of the fertilizer. While digging the soil, we also removed the weeds. Now, what fertilizers shall we give to our tuberose plant? The tuberose plants like slow-releasing fertilizer. So, the organic kitchen waste compost is a good option for your tuberose plant. Synthetic fertilizers also offer immediate gratification with nutrients available on demand for your tuberose. But be aware of the overuse of your synthetic fertilizers because they may harm the beneficial organisms that keep your soil alive. Here, as you can see, my mom is giving kitchen waste compost. Here, after 7 days of giving the kitchen waste compost, my mom is giving a composure of crushed eggshell, dried banana peel and neem leaf. The eggshell and banana peel will help our plants to get more blooms. Not only that, they also enhance the soil fertility. And the neem leaf is given so that our soil does not have any kind of fungal infections. As you know, after giving any kind of fertilizer, we must give water to that plant. I hope after these steps, our plant will finally have blooms like last year. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.